Sleeping Beauties, Aurora and the Diamond Crown. One Sunday morning, Aurora awoke in the most cheerful of moods. It was her 17th birthday, and she couldn't wait to see what wonderful surprises were in store. Luckily, she didn't have to wait long. Happy birthday, darling, said the queen. Aurora smiled at her mother. They noticed the king was wearing an unusual crown. Gleaming at its center was a large pink heart-shaped diamond surrounded with tiny sparkling diamonds. Mother, she cried, what a beautiful crown! Is it new? Actually, replied the queen, it's quite old, and it's the reason that I've come to you so early in this very special day. The queen took Aurora by the hand and led her through the castle to the great portrait hall. It was filled with paintings, each of a young princess wearing a crown just like the one the queen was wearing. Why, mother! Exclaimed Aurora, pointing to the nearest portrait. Is that you? Indeed, it is, replied the queen. It was painted on my 17th birthday. You see, Aurora, it's a tradition in our kingdom that on a princess's 17th birthday, this crown is to be passed down to her and worn until the day she herself becomes queen. Oh, mother, Aurora gasped. Is that crown truly to be mine? Well, her mother said with a smile. I certainly hope so, but according to tradition, you must first earn it. How? Asked Aurora. By answering 3 riddles, her mother explained. Just then, the 3 fairies, Flora, Fauna, and Merida flew in. Happy birthday, princess, said Merida. We are here to give you your clues. Yes, happy birthday, Flora and Fauna added. Then the queen kissed Aurora. Think hard, my dear, and good luck. With a wave of their magic wands, the fairies transported themselves and Aurora out to the castle grounds. Then Flora stepped up and recited the first riddle. To the eyes is a treat, to the nose a delight. But beware, to the hand it can be quite a fright. Don't you think to taste it? Its witness still shows. To this first riddle, the answer is said Aurora when Flora was done. Oh no, said Merryweather. Of course, scolded Fauna. It's Aurora who would to guess. Do you know what the answer is, diary? Asked Flora. Let's see, said Aurora. To the eye, it's a treat, so it's pretty. To the nose, a delight, so it smells good. To the hand, quite a fright. And so it's must hurt, like a Doron on the rose. That's it, isn't it? And she hurried off to the garden where she picked the biggest rose she could find. Very good, exclaimed Fauna. And now for the second riddle. Some plant it, some steal it, some blow it away, some even do it several times in a day. Some who are shy might blush getting this on their hand or their cheek. Can you guess? Is that, well, said Aurora, thinking if some plant it might be another flower, a dandelion. Perhaps you can blow them away too, but what can you get on your hand or your cheek? She wondered aloud as she gazed into the garden pool. I know, Aurora cried suddenly. It's a kiss, isn't it? Of course it is. You are figuring out the answer more quickly than any princess yet, said Flora. Now it's my turn, exclaimed Meriwether. Are you ready, Aurora? I think so, she replied. Meriwether cleared her throat. What only yes, the stranger, the longer it lives. What pays you back tenfold the more that you give? Some say it's blind, some say it's true, some just say simple. I feel this for you. Meriwether giggled. Silly me. I almost said the answer. Well, let's see, said Aurora. It might be a tree. That it gets stronger the longer it lives. I suppose you could say that a tree is blind, but so are bats. Aurora third and the third. She was still thinking when Prince Philip walked by, leading his horse Samson. Happy birthday, my love, he called with a big smile. Instantly, Aurora knew the answer to the riddle. Happily, Aurora hurried up to her mother's sewing room. I've solved the riddle, she announced. She took the pink rose from her hair and handed it to her mother. Then Aurora gave her a kiss on her cheek. Very good, declared the queen. And the answer to the riddle, that's when the fairies brought in Prince Philip as love, said Aurora, of course. The queen took the crown from her head and proudly placed it to Aurora's. That very afternoon, Aurora had her portrait painted just like all the clever princesses who had come before her. In the evening, a grand birthday ball was held in Aurora's honor. Happy birthday, my darling, her mother told her, and may you have many, many more. Aurora smiled at her mother. It had been a wonderful birthday.